Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable Ask Where to Save each file before downloading in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. By default, on a Windows 11 PC, when you start to download any file, it will automatically be saved in the Downloads folder under the C drive. However, it is possible to get a prompt each time you download a file using the Arc browser. For that, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC, then click on this one Arc icon in the top left corner that says Settings. In the drop down menu, click on this one Settings option. After that, under Profiles section, click on this one Default option. Here, beside this one Advanced Search Settings, click on this one arrow button. Under Arc Settings, select this one Downloads. In the left sidebar, on the right, you will find this one option, Ask Where to Save each file before downloading. According to your choice, you can enable or disable this one feature on your Arc browser in Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.